thoughts on RL series difference. This panel is always very hard to take out because all the ice clings to the aluminum, clings to the things in here. There's no way you can take it out without defrosting first. So, and there's a way, I'll post it afterwards, to manually defrost it. What I thought was, you see this aluminum or plastic and aluminum whatever it's called. If you put water through it, hot water, boiling water through it in here, goes in here where the fan is, and let's say defrosts the fan, but then it goes through the air holes. It doesn't get to the ice. What I thought now is, if you from here try to take it out a little, to tear by doing so, to tear this tape. Just a second. Plastic. Let's say I was able to take it out. Half an inch, 2 centimeters. Then what happens now? The water from here goes inside the iced evaporator. So there you are.